What up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more crazy content. Right now we're at the side of the road waiting for Josh. I don't know if you guys remember Josh, the guy with the black Alpha. Man, that car is fucking crazy. In today's video, we're gonna go to this crazy event that's happening in San Jose. Oh man. Alright guys, we just pulled up to this event and it's looking crazy, guys. Look at these cars. I want to go see that Huracan over there. Look at this, guys. This R8 with Lamborghini wheels. This is crazy. Damn. This is nuts. Man, look at this fucking beautiful ass car, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, this car is so fucking clean. Look at the exhaust. Oh my god. That's just looking clean. The forged carving. If I ever get a Lamborghini, this will be the same exact spec. The same exact cars. The color, with the wheels, with the center locks, the Performante. It's looking gorgeous. The R8s are looking amazing. Look at this R8 right here. It's not even from out here, it's from Florida too. All the carving on this R8 is fucking crazy. But god damn. Look at this. I have no idea what's going on in there. Look at that carbon fiber lip. Damn. M2 competition. No wonder it has all the carbon fiber accessories. Imagine this engine in the fucking M3, guys. This thing is crazy. Oh my god, look at the NOS. That's looking crazy. Suicide doors? Not bad. Yo, look at this. Look at this beautiful SVJ, guys. Oh my god. This thing is so nice. The SVJ, guys. Oh my god, look at that tan interior. It's looking so damn beautiful. Oh, Alcantara. Man. This thing is fucking gorgeous. Look at this one right here. Damn. This Aventador is looking nice. God damn. But this E36 right here is fucking nuts. Look at this. That's how I want to see my M3 in the future one day, with this big setup right here, man. And the wheels. The wheels look nice.
Not your average 3 Series.
Damn, not at all. Not at all. Not at all, man. Damn. It's just nice.
Yes, and put NM for no more. 328, no more.
Right? The interior is looking mint.
Oh man, that's a crazy stick shift.
Yeah. The Recaro seats. But damn, this fucking engine though, guys.
Turbocharged. Or I mean, supercharged.
Damn.
So that's a supercharger. Air, cold air in. Pump right there.
Uh-huh.
Why the fuck you lying?
Pump right there.
Uh-huh.
Somewhere.
I thought it was a turbo.
This thing turns something.
Right?
Is it a turbo?
Yeah, it's a turbo. Yeah, that's a single turbo.
Well, this is just.
That's just a clear.
It's just basically
Clear pulley.
like
Yep.
put a.
That shit literally fucked up my ear. kind of saw a little spit of flame in there, but it's looking and sounding insane. Oh my god. Fuck. That shit literally blew up my ear.
I know why they ain't know me, so I switch spots. Never running out of fish, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guac. I hit the jackpot, you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they ain't know me, so I switch spots. Never running out of fish, so fuck a pit stop. Hold the wrist, I had to get the bag. Ice on my wrist, diamonds move a lag. Never switch in position, that's where money be in my bag. I gotta thank God for all the shit that I got, I never had.
Whoa. Alright guys, we're literally just pulling up to the second event. You guys seen that crazy ass motherfucker with a bike? Man, if you're watching this video, you're crazy. But I give you props though, you're a savage for that one. Oh my god, look at it. Full carbon fiber. Full carbon fiber, guys. And that's the car that I want to show you guys, but PR34s. Alright guys, we just pulled up to the event and look at this. Oh man, it's another SVJ and another Pagani. Oh my god, is it a Pagani? No, it's not, it's a Koenigsegg. Wait, what the fuck? What is this? What is this? What the fuck? What is this? It's not a Koenigsegg. It's not a Pagani. What is this? Yo, what is this? What is this? This is crazy. Look at this, guys. This is the craziest car I've ever seen in my life. Never seen one in my life before. This is clean. That SVJ, we saw a white one earlier. Now we're looking at an orange one. Damn, look at this, all this carving though. Look at all this carving, guys. The center lock with the fucking ceramic brakes. Beautiful. Look at this Lambo right here. God damn, man. I am so happy that we came here. The other one, it was, you know, it was alright, but it was not that many cars. But look at that Ferrari. More cars are pulling up. We got an SVJ. I don't know what that is yet. It looked like a Pagani, but it's not a Pagani. We got an STO. We got a Huracan Performante Spider. We got a Mercedes AMG GTR maybe. But this one is clean. This one is fucking beautiful. Look at this. The color kind of looks like the Daily Driven Exotics, a Perta, that the one that they cut off the windshield. But this one is fucking nice. But the STO is the first one I've seen since they came out. This is like a straight up race car, man. It's a race car. Straight up race car. This showroom is crazy. Look at this black Ferrari. Look at this. Man, look at this. It's crazy. Oh my god. This showroom is nice. This color right here, the frozen gray. Look at this R8. This one is beautiful. Is it an SVJ? I believe it is. It is an SVJ without the stickers on. There's literally Lambos everywhere. A lot of Aventadors. Look at this. Oh my god, it's a supercharger. Damn. Yep, VF Engineering. Damn. Should be fast, maybe around 1200 horsepower, maybe, I don't know. This is beautiful though, guys. One day. One day. Damn. God. Hey, do you know what this is? You have no idea what this is? Car. Oh, it's a kit car. It's a kit car. You guys heard that? It's a kit car. I don't know what it is, man. It looks so nice. Look at this. It looks so clean. I love your car. I love it. God dang yum. Look at this Aventador right here, guys. Look at the red interior, man. Oh my god. Look at this Huracan, bro. This Huracan, it'll be the one that I want in my life. With the rims, everything, just how it looks. How it looks, man. Look at this. This Ferrari right here, man, I've seen him on Instagram. This car is so nice. It kind of looks like Danny P's Ferrari. Danny P's Ferrari is fucking nice, but this is not his. Damn, this is nice. Look at this fucking diffuser. The wide body kit is fucking crazy. The BBS's, damn, bro. Every car that I've seen today is on BBS's. God damn. Look at this front fucking bumper. Splitter, I mean. Looking crazy. This R34 is fucking crazy looking, guys. So R32? Skyline R32 maybe? Or GTT? No, this is GTT actually. That's a GTR V-Spec. That's crazy. V-Spec, V-Spec. And that one's the rarest one, I believe. Damn. Aston Martin. Sounding like a... Damn. Rabbit! 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 Look at this other one. Guys, look at this. Damn. Rabbit! Let's go, guys. That shit's fucking crazy, man. This vlog, like I told you guys, this vlog is fucking insane. Stay tuned. More crazy shit like this is coming to this channel. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. God damn.
Guys, so it's called a Superlite SLC. So it's a kit car. You can buy it in a bunch of different phases and pieces. You get to assemble it kind of the way you want to fit it. We're gonna turn it up, build the motor, put some twins on it, and
oh, right on.
See if we can put power down.
Damn, it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be sick.
Yeah.
The exhaust is right there, guys. Look at that. God damn. That sounds amazing. My God. Look at the carbon fiber, guys. Look at this. Man, this is fucking beautiful. This sounds nice. Yo, thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. Damn. Just fucking clean, guys. Look at this logo. That looks so sick. Like I was telling him, it looked like a Pagani, but it's not a Pagani. It's fucking amazing. Alright guys, well, like you guys seen, this event was fucking nuts. We're about to leave with Erickson. I'm hungry. I'm starving. I want to go get some food. But, like I'm always telling you guys, stay tuned. I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Let's get it.